Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Creepy Horse mod in Minecraft in 2026. The whole process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Before installing the mod, you need to have Minecraft Forge installed, because the Creepy Horse mod requires Forge to run. If you already have Forge, you can skip this step. Otherwise, simply open your browser, search for Minecraft Forge, download the version that matches your Minecraft version, install it, and you're good to go. Now let's download the Creepy Horse mod. Open your browser and search for Creepy Horse mod Minecraft. You'll usually find it on CurseForge or the official mod page. I recommend downloading it from a trusted source like CurseForge whenever possible. Before clicking the download button, take a moment to read the mod description. This particular mod is inspired by the viral Creepy Horse concept created by YouTuber Lookout2D. While the original was a scripted horror video, this mod recreates the experience so you can actually try it inside Minecraft. Also, check whether the mod requires any additional dependency mods before installing it. Many Minecraft mods need libraries, such as GeckoLib or other APIs to work properly. At the time of making this video, the Creepy Horse mod doesn't require any extra dependencies, but it's always a good idea to read the description, since requirements can change with future updates. Once you've checked everything, head over to the Files or Downloads section and select the version that matches your Minecraft version. Download the mod and wait for the file to finish downloading. Now let's install it. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %appdata%, then click OK. Open your Minecraft folder, then find the mods folder. If you don't already have a mods folder, simply create a new folder and name it Mods. Open the mods folder, then drag and drop the Creepy Horse mod into it. You can also copy and paste or cut and paste the file if you prefer, but drag and drop is the quickest method. And that's it. The installation is complete. That's how you download and install the Creepy Horse mod in Minecraft in 2026. Just remember the 4 simple steps. Install Forge, download the Creepy Horse mod, check for any required dependency mods, and move the mod into your Minecraft mods folder. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.